Okay, my name is Calzinez. Welcome to Calswicker Company. And first off is that I want to say thank you for choosing our service for Calswicker Company. And hopefully we do help you out with the TinkerCAD on the videos that we provided on the YouTube channel. And right now, it's been an honor for us to actually help you out with these features and tools under the TinkerCAD, and then explain the information on the TinkerCAD as well. So, first off is this is an epilogue video. This is the end. It doesn't mean that we're gonna end up from here. We're just gonna move our platform into our main website source, so that way we have more of the other features and tools on there, and that you'll be learning a lot more. Right now, just onto the YouTube channel, it's just an introduction to show you that this is the basic steps that you'll be using this software, and that you'll be using this whatever's the STEM core related education that you want to use this for, and that you can use this for your kindergarten to 12th grade educators and students. So now, the other videos on the main website, we are moving our service tools and features on there, and that it's a lot more advanced area. Right now we gave you the introduction of the tools, but right now on that main website we are providing some more of the other service. But again, this is a lot more advanced area. But to be more creative on the ideas, how you use these other features and more the parts onto there. So hopefully it does build a lot more ideas, more tips and hints, and a lot more creative to become use the TinkerCAD for educational, engineering, or it can be fun too as well at the same time. So, and also too, the next one on the main service that we're providing is the live service. So we are making our platform to go live as if we can, and that you can actually be on the live service for TinkerCAD. We'll be doing the different what type of tools and features we can provide to, and that if you have any question or comment, you can actually recommend that one, and that you'll become a be online for a second. So, and then the you can actually provide your questions and comments on there, and if you want to ask more of the information on the TinkerCAD. So hopefully it does work out for us. So again, all these ones is all provided on the main website. So if you want to go to that main website, the link's gonna be linked down below on our website, so that way you can become a membership and you'll be looking into these information, notification, news, updates, and live sessions. So hopefully that does help you out from there on. Okay, now then, the YouTube video right now is not going to be the end of it. Right now we're just moving our platform onto that one, but we'll be adding more videos on there. Could be like for an idea, like a quick one, or a holiday session if you want to like try out the more holidays ideas, be creative, and that way it'll be provided on that website. So and also do some demonstration too as well, like this, for example, this video, it will be speed run along the way. We're not going to add in our video audio because again, this is just a demonstration of how it looks like from now. Okay, and again, I want to say thank you very much, you viewers, listeners, and subscribers, for following us along the way. This helps us improve and helps us to know that you guys are out there listening, and that looking into these videos that we're providing our service, and that way you understand the concept, and hopefully by then you can follow us from there to follow more of the information, follow more of the service that we do for now. And at that, we want to thank you very much for liking our videos. And at that, again, you can subscribe us on the YouTube channel and subscribe or become a membership in our main website. We do provide more other different videos on the channel. We do the Onshape, SolidWorks, Inventor Professional, and more the other service too as well, which is the 3D printing service. And at that, we do have on hands-on that creativity to get involved with it. And at that, if you want to go into our main website for our membership, we also do online service, which is the resale of the electronics, softwares, and more other devices too as well along the way. Until then, we'll provide the information, news, whatever we can onto our service. So again, I'd like to say thank you very much. Thank you for viewing our YouTube channel, and at that, subscribing us too as well, it means a lot to us. So thank you very much. Hope this video is the last one, and then we'll see how it goes from the next few videos later on in the future. Okay, thank you, and goodbye.